Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create a simple sphere in DaVinci. So let's start. First right click on it, click on new fusion composition. So this is it and drag it drop it here. Click on fusion composition. Now first click on background, add a background node, connect it. Now select the background, click on polygon, draw a straight line here by pressing shift enter and increase the border width. Currently, you can see that the color is black. If you want, go to the background and change the color as per your requirement. Okay, I don't change the color. Click OK. So you notice it is now red. You can increase or decrease the width as per your requirement here. Click on the background, press Ctrl Shift, type duplicate, click on Enter, increase the number of copies. Let's say 30. Nothing is happening. Let's increase the offset center distance. Now this looks better. Now what I will do, select this, press Ctrl space, type sphere, uh, which sphere, uh, shape or sphere map or sphere light shape. So click on it and notice it is not directly connected. The reason is that when you use 3D shape, you need to import 3D render as well. So type render. There is something called render 3D. Okay, so import it, connect it, connect this one. Currently it is on plane, so instead of plane, select the sphere. Now it is looking, but it's quite big. Let's decrease the radius size, increase the subdivisions to make it a little better. Go to the duplicates. If you can play with it like this. It's up to you how you want to play. Now, if you want to animate, it's a quite now. So how can I animate it? That's the important thing. So you can rotate it. If you want to do rotation animation, you can do from here. This is up to you how you want, but let's just make a simple one. So as you can see that I'm currently in frame 0. Oh, that's good. So I will go to the duplicate and click on this value, go to the frame 60 and make this value like this, and go to the keyframes, duplicate, center path, click on this. I think spline, yeah, spline. What properties animated? Click on polygon, this. Or not the polygon, basically I have to animate uh, duplicate. Yeah, this is a duplicate one. Click on this icon. Now what I want to do is press Ctrl A or select these two and make it smooth. So if I go to the frame here, you can see the animation, and go here and make it loop. So in that way you can create this animation. You can change the color if you want, just uncheck this inspector and spline as well. So I will go to the background inspector. Before I do something like that, make sure that you click on here and go to the first frame, because if I do in the middle of it, the problem is that it will, change the color as well. I don't want to animate the color. I just want to change, this. Just I want this simple animation. So if I go here, you can see how it look like. So in that way, you can create this animation as per your requirement. And if I'm not wrong, 60, 120. Let's decrease the, fusion composition. Right click. Uh, so basically, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to reduce its length. So uh, just make up to, okay, 60 second, 30 frames. This is video 30. Let's make it smaller. Now it will be loop forever. Okay, 20. Okay, I need 240, I guess. 2 minutes 40 seconds. 30. 30 is the 1 seconds. 60 it will be 2 seconds. Now 2 minutes. The animation should be 2 minutes. Now it will be loop. Click on this loop icon to make sure it loop. Now, so this is how it look like. So if you learned something from this video and if you have any kind of doubt and queries, feel free to ask. And thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.